Experience Postgres.new, a groundbreaking in-browser Postgres sandbox with AI capabilities. Instantly create unlimited Postgres databases all within your browser. Paired with a large language model, Postgres.new offers unique features. Import CSV files with a simple drag and drop, generate reports and charts, and even build database diagrams. All operations are local to your browser, combining the power of Postgres and AI. Queries run directly in your browser, thanks to Pig Lite, a WebAssembly version of Postgres. The tool is motivated by AI-driven development, Postgres sandboxing, and cost-effective databases. It offers full autonomy to the AI model, enabling seamless operations without user intervention. CSV imports are error-tolerant with AI, capable of self-correction. Charts are rendered using Chart.js, allowing for quick data visualization. It supports multiple data persistence backends and a range of Postgres extensions. Coming soon are features like database deployment to S3, support for more file types, and database sharing. All components are open source, encouraging community contributions.